guys, you know I love some weird stuff, and I think this is a result of some really cool programming. The developers here are just wicked. This thing is, 15, 16 years old. It's just absolutely blows my mind, and I definitely can't represent this one at all in its fullest, and you guys are probably going to just come in and kind of just play around with this thing. There's a lot of I feel like I know what I'm doing, but I'm definitely no master at any of this stuff, and my mind is blown here. I have to direct you guys over to M42 Nebula synthesizer version 2 by AlgoMusic. You can go find this down in the freeware distribution sites that you can find. VST Planet, VST for free. You type this in there. This is pretty easy to find. Anyway, a lot of really cool stuff going on in this thing, and it blows my mind the sounds that it's been getting, and very weird, and cool stuff going on with it. I couldn't explain it all. Let's just listen to some the results that we get out of this, and that's it. That's all I can do for you. So, with this, it's like a left to right here. We got our two different sound sources here, and we're running down the chain like you would normally. And at the end of it, we have a mod matrix, and you can see our different, the matrix that we can pick, our X and Y. And it's just, the X delay, I'm not at the X crossing delay, it's so... Yeah, a lot of cool stuff going on here. EQ mixer, and then a warp here. That's rich, So warp is, kind of wide and spinny and harsh. Definitely some harshness there, but with stuff like this, sometimes they come with the panic button. This one needs. I need a panic button on just about anything. I should just have Ableton loaded up with a panic button already pre-mapped out, and I just go. Alright, so where's our just system sound font? Blend. I was looking for like the mixer area. Oh, there it is. There's a mixer. Volume 1, Volume 2. So it's just 2 right here. Fantasy. Strings. Hey, we're just playing around. Let's go to the to 1 and let's turn 2 off. If that is not even what's happening, is it? All right. Well, sometimes you think you know what's going on, and then you don't. All I know is the thing is kind of neat, and I definitely like it, and you should too. I mean, yeah. I mean, if I don't pull this thing out and play with it a lot. I have a lot of stuff that does. I don't know. It's really cool. I think I would really appreciate this if it was in my arsenal. It definitely has some really rich sounds to it, and worth a mention as we're plugging down my list over here. We're getting towards the end of it. A lot of good stuff that we've had, so go check out those VSTs, my VST list playlist on down there at the bottom of the YouTube there. And we are going to be doing some more here of the free ones, and then going into my other plugins list and contact libraries, and going into some Max for Live after that. It'll be really cool, guys. It's going to be a really good journey here in the next month and a half, 2 months, just kind of going through everything and talking about it. Having a good time with it, too. So hit that like and subscribe, hit the bell, and we will continue this journey on the next video, guys. See ya.